Okay, so we have this question right here. It says the Earth has 10 times the mass of Mars and twice the radius of Mars. The gravitational field strength at the surface of Earth is Ge. The gravitational field strength at the surface of Mars is Gm. Which of the following gives the relationship between Ge and Gm? So this is a very simple question. So we will do it step by step. So your first step is to identify the values, right? Identify the values you have been given. So you have Mars, sorry, not Mars. You have mass, you have radius, and you have gravitational field strength, which is G, right? And you can see from the statement, it gives out the biggest hint that you have to use the gravitational field strength formula, right? So it's G is equals to Gm by R square, right? Gravitational field strength formula. So now what you need to do is you need to input these values and make the comparison, right? So let's do it for Mars because Mars is super easy right now. They haven't told us anything about Mars. It's like simply just writing Gm is equals to G capital G capital M and R square, right? And let's do it for Earth now. So for Earth, it is Ge G, and you have mass 10 times the mass of Mars, so it's 10m, and you have radius twice the radius, so it's 2r square, right? So if you write it properly, it will be 10 gm 4r square. Now if you write it like, if you just divide them, it will be left with 5 by 2 gm by 2r square. Now if you replace this with this, right, you can see there's no symbols, they have like same values, right? So it will become, if I write it properly, it will be Ge is equals to 5 by 2 in decimal is 2.5, right? So you can just write 2.5 gm, right? So this is your relationship between Ge and Gm. So if you check the options, I can see that option A is correct, option B is incorrect, C and D are both incorrect as well. So your final answer is option number A.